As CIO of CaseStack, I'm constantly under a tremendous amount of pressure to deliver business value faster, quicker, cheaper, and innovate in disruptive ways. We've been around for about 15, 16 years and have a lot of legacy technology. And we were in a position where we weren't moving fast enough. When we started working with Mendix and looking for a rapid application development platform, we had looked at it as a way to significantly increase the velocity of how we delivered and deployed applications and more importantly, business value. In the past, we've done an annual project planning cycle like every other company that forces a stack rank of priorities, and inevitably there's a line that needs to be drawn due to the resource constraints, due to the funding constraints about here's the maximum we can do based on committing to that. And one of the great things about Mendix is it's allowed us to actually test some of those things that may not have come to the top of the list. And what we started to realize early on was that the Mendix team, it goes well beyond a platform, but it also, there's a thought process, a mindset, a philosophy, a playbook, if you will, about how to actually go deliver Mendix applications. We started to realize that the team dynamic needed to change and who we looked for to actually do this work. You don't really want people that are coders or they believe their value is coding. What we're looking for primarily is people who understand the business, who understand the supply chain, who understand logistics, and want to further the value of that. Most times, in my experience, when a user is asking for something, they really don't know exactly what they're looking for until they see it. So one of the things that traditional development doesn't really allow you to do, in that you have to go code it and test it and deploy it. In a Mendix environment, Mendix test environment, you can see these changes as they occur very quickly and continue to iterate to get to the final value that the business is looking for. We have a handful of apps on Mendix today and have another at least 10 to 12 apps that we know would be perfect candidates for Mendix in the future. But one of the things that I think is critical for us is right now Mendix is a first-class citizen, is a standard of development. So one of the benefits of Mendix is to be able to just have an idea and go after and start and not have to worry about spinning anything up or spending weeks, if not months, getting new servers. You just go. And it's not having the coolest code or the coolest technology, is the business value first. So for me, it was bringing the Mendix platform to CaseStack is what brought that shorter time to value.